Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Tech, the channel where we explore the latest in technology, science, and innovation. Today we diving into one of the most powerful and fascinating topics in modern tech, artificial intelligence, or AI. From your smartphone to self-driving cars, AI is changing the way we live, work, and even think. So let's break it all down simply and clearly right now. First, let's understand what AI actually is. It's in simple words. Artificial intelligence means creating machines that can think, learn, and make decisions just like humans. Instead of following only pre-written commands, AI systems use data and experience to improve over time. Think of it this way. In traditional programming, a human gives step-by-step instructions. But in AI, the machine learns from patterns and improves itself automatically. AI comes in three major types. First, there's narrow AI, or weak AI. This is what we use every day, systems trained for specific tasks, like Siri, ChatGPT, or facial recognition. They're intelligent, but only within one domain. Next is general AI. This type of AI would have human-like intelligence. It could think, reason, and understand the world just like us. We're not there yet, but researchers are working toward it. Finally, super AI is a futuristic concept of machines smarter than humans in every field. Creativity, emotion, and logic. It's exciting and a little scary. So how does AI actually work? It all comes down to machine learning and neural networks. Machine learning is when a computer learns from data instead of being explicitly programmed. For example, if you show it 10,000 photos of cats, it learns to recognize a cat all by itself. Neural networks are computer systems designed to mimic the human brain. They process information in layers, identify patterns, and make predictions just like neurons. And when these systems become deeper and more complex, we call them deep learning models, which are the foundation of modern AI. AI isn't just in labs, it's already everywhere around us. In healthcare, AI can detect diseases years before doctors. In finance, AI bots trade stocks and detect fraud faster than humans. In education, AI tutors personalized learning, and in transportation, self-driving cars use AI to make split-second driving decisions. Even your phone's face unlock, YouTube recommendations, and Google Maps traffic predictions are all powered by AI. In the next decade, AI will go beyond automation. We'll see AI doctors, architects, and even AI-powered creativity. It will also transform engineering, designing stronger materials or optimizing energy systems. Imagine AI designing a better jet engine or a new eco-friendly plastic kit's already happening. But there are challenges too. Job displacement from automation, data privacy concerns, and ethical issues like AI inheriting human bias are major hurdles. That's why AI ethics and regulation are now major global discussions to ensure AI helps humanity, not harms it. So that's artificial intelligence, not just robots or futuristic machines, but a revolutionary technology already shaping our world. It's helping us solve problems faster, build smarter systems, and create a future where humans and machines can work together. The question is, are we ready for it? If you learned something new today, hit that like button, share this video, subscribe to Smart Tech for more deep dives into technology. Drop a comment below. What part of AI fascinates you the most? Till next time, stay curious, stay smart, and keep exploring the future with us.